Welcome to Box City! We are gonna build an entire city out of bits of cardboard. It's gonna be fun, it's simple and easy, and we can play with it. In this episode, we will make our house, our home, the place we're going to live. It's going to be cute and adorable and easy too. Hi everybody! Look at this city. This is our place, our home. But where is our house? We need a house to live in. Time to build the residential district. This time we need a slightly larger box because this is the house that we are going to live in, so we need a lot of space. Then we cut it to the size that we need, shape the rooftop and add an extra little rooftop on top like this. The next step is to cut out doors and windows. Here you also need to think about how high you want the floors. You see, the taller you make the windows, the taller you can make the floors, and the taller you can make the people. And now we are ready to put in the floors. And then let's have a look at the front of the house. You see here we can decorate with various bits of cardboard like this. For example, this strip can look great up here as a nice sort of edge. Let's glue them on. Just a bit of glue and on it goes. And guess where this piece goes? It goes here. What? It's already there. Wow, ho, ho, magic, yay! Now how about flower boxes? They really make houses look cute and adorable. We can easily make them from a couple of little strips of cardboard, one slimmer one and one slightly thicker one. You take the slim one, glue on top of the thicker one and cut it to the size that you need. Then you end up with flower boxes, and they are just like the hinges that we made in the earlier episodes. On the other side, I've painted them purple so that they are ready to be glued onto the house. Now, before we glue them up, let's draw and paint a little bit. Tiles on the roof, I just draw with a marker. Simple and easy, just like this. Just go nuts and draw the craziest tiles. Some white frames around the windows. And finally, the main color, purple. And here is one that is already dry and finished. And I have even started to glue on some of the hinges. Now, let's glue on the rest. Bit of glue on the thin stripe, and it goes on right underneath the window. Next one. And the inside. I got lots of hinges here, one for each window. Then we can put in curtains. I've also glued on a small one for the door sign and an even tinier one for the house number. Yeah, I tell you, pal, we can have a lot of fun with these hinges in the upcoming episodes. Whoa, by the way, have you remembered to click the bell yet? If not, please click the bell wherever it is. Hunt it down, click it so you don't miss any updates. Right on top, I've made a cut for the chimney. And the chimney itself I have made like this. I've cut out 2 equal pieces of a chimney shape. Then I have cut 2 little strips like this. I have put 1 strip here, 1 strip here, glue them on, put this one on top, and glue them together and squeeze the chimney together down at the bottom so that you can stick in other pieces of cardboard like this. Then I've painted it gray. And before we put it all together, let me show you how to make the curtains. First, you take a piece of cardboard, you put it inside the house next to the window. Then you trace off the window, and you can also draw a bit of the older curtains. You take this one out, Then you nice up the drawing of the curtains a bit. And then we have to imagine that the curtains are going outside the window frame, a bit on the upper side, a bit on the sides, and a bit lower than the window frame, down to about here. And this is what the curtains will look like when they are cut out. Now we can paint them. So you paint them in any color that you fancy. Also paint them on the other side. And when you're done, the curtains can look like this. Also notice here that I have used a color pencil to mark the creases in the curtains as well. And check out all our lovely curtains, and they fit the sizes of the window, and I've made them all different with different patterns and different everything. And finally, we are ready to put it all together. The door sign, the house number, and look what I have! Surprise! It's the flowers for the flower boxes. In the next episode, we are going to populate our city with people, with pets, with vehicles, with trees, everything we love. In this series, we are not giving up until we have built the whole city, complete with houses, people, pets, vehicles, bicycles, and all kinds of crazy things happening. So, people, stay tuned and click the bell so you don't miss out of any important updates.